There are lots of cargo trailer bikes you can pick from. They all have different things about them, good stuff, and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these cargo trailer bikes are really helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost and more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Aosum Bike Cargo Trailer. Introducing the Aosum Bike Cargo Trailer, your ultimate solution for heavy-duty hauling. This versatile bicycle trailer boasts a robust design, capable of carrying up to 88 pounds with ease. Perfect for groceries, camping gear, or any bulky items. This trailer ensures your load is transported safely and efficiently. Constructed with durability in mind, the trailer features a sturdy steel frame and high-quality, weather-resistant fabric. The 16-inch wheels provide smooth and stable movement, even on rough terrain, making your ride hassle-free. Its universal hitch allows for seamless attachment to most bicycles, offering great flexibility for various bikes. A standout feature of this cargo trailer is its foldable design, ensuring compact storage when not in use. This space-saving capability makes it ideal for those with limited storage space. Whether you're a commuter, an adventurer, or just need an extra hand with transportation, the Aosum Bike Cargo Trailer is designed to meet your needs. Number 2. Aosum Wanderer Folding Bicycle. The Aosum Wanderer Folding Bicycle Bike Cargo Storage Cart and Luggage Trailer is an ideal solution for cyclists seeking versatile and durable transportation for their cargo. Featuring a sleek black design, this trailer is constructed with a robust steel frame capable of supporting up to 88 pounds, making it perfect for groceries, camping gear, or other bulky items. The trailer boasts 2 large 16-inch wheels, ensuring smooth and stable rides on various terrains. Its universal hitch easily attaches to most bicycles, offering a secure connection for hassle-free towing. The folding frame allows for convenient storage and portability when not in use, making it an excellent companion for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Additionally, the Aosum Wanderer includes a spacious cargo compartment with a removable cover, providing ample protection for your belongings against the elements. Number 3. Schwinn Daytripper Cargo Bike Trailer. The Schwinn Daytripper and Porter Cargo Bike Trailer is a versatile and reliable solution for transporting your gear. Designed with a 100 pounds maximum weight capacity, this bike trailer is perfect for carrying groceries, camping equipment, or other essentials. The trailer features a collapsible frame, allowing for easy storage and portability when not in use. It attaches securely to the rear of your bicycle, ensuring a stable and smooth ride. Equipped with air-filled tires, the trailer provides excellent traction and a comfortable towing experience over various terrains. The robust construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance. However, it is important to note that this trailer is not designed for transporting kids or animals, focusing solely on cargo transportation. Ideal for biking enthusiasts and practical for everyday use, the Schwinn Daytripper and Porter Cargo Bike Trailer adds convenience and functionality to your cycling adventures. Whether you're running errands or embarking on a biking trip, this trailer is a dependable accessory that enhances your bike's carrying capacity without compromising on performance. Number 4. Retrospec Rover Hauler Cargo Bike Trailer. The Retrospec Rover Hauler Cargo Bike Trailer is designed for versatility and durability, making it an ideal companion for transporting goods. Featuring a robust folding frame, this cargo bike trailer offers convenient storage and portability. Its large cargo carrier can handle a variety of items, ensuring you have ample space for groceries, camping gear, or other essentials. The weather-resistant fabric keeps your belongings safe and dry, regardless of the weather conditions. Compatible with bicycle wheels ranging from 20 to 29, the Rover Hauler seamlessly attaches to most bikes, providing a secure and stable ride. Its universal hitch allows for quick and easy attachment and detachment, making it user-friendly for cyclists of all levels. The trailer's reflective details enhance visibility and safety during night rides. With a weight capacity suitable for heavy loads, this trailer is both practical and reliable. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or embarking on outdoor adventures, the Retrospec Rover Hauler Cargo Bike Trailer is a must-have for any cyclist looking to extend their bike's utility and enjoy hassle-free transportation. Number 5. Pexmer Bike Cargo Trailer. The Pexmer Bike Cargo Trailer is the ideal solution for transporting goods with your bicycle. Featuring a robust, removable box and a waterproof cover, This versatile bike trailer ensures your items stay secure and dry in all weather conditions. Its 16 wheels and quick-release universal coupler make attachment and detachment effortless, fitting most bicycles with ease. This large loading bike trailer is designed for stability and smooth towing. Whether you're running errands or embarking on a longer journey, safety is prioritized with reflectors on all sides, enhancing visibility in low light conditions. The durable construction supports a substantial load capacity, making it perfect for groceries, camping gear, or other cargo. The Pexmer Bike Cargo Trailer combines functionality with convenience, offering ample storage space and easy handling. Its compact design allows for hassle-free storage when not in use.